Hello and welcome to Crewe Audi. My name is Natalia and today I'll be showing you around this brand new Audi A3 35 TFSI Edition 1 finished in the beautiful Python yellow. This car comes with matrix LED headlights as well as LED rear lights, really brighten up those road conditions for the driver. And as we move around, here we do have the 19-inch 5-arm trapezoid design alloy wheels in titanium matte grey. They really do make the car look sporty and complement the yellow really well. We do have some of the signature S-Line branding badges. And as this model does have the black styling pack, we do have the black wing mirrors, black trim around the windows, as well as the privacy glass along the rear, which adds a really nice contrast to the yellow. This vehicle does come with rear parking sensors, which makes manoeuvring and parking it incredibly easy. And as we make our way into the boot, it is all manually operated. You can see there is plenty of space for a couple of suitcases, the weekly shop, even a pram. We do also have space for a spare wheel. And if you find yourself needing any more room, the back seats do fold down. As we make our way into the back, this is a 5-door, 5-seater Audi, meaning that there is 3 passenger spaces. All 3 seats do come with headrests. For a little sportback, there is plenty of space in the back for the passengers. We do have an armrest which comes down like so. And 2 of the seats do also come with Isofix fittings, which make putting in and taking out car seats incredibly easy. As we make our way into the front of the vehicle, here we have the controls for the electric and heated wing mirrors, front and back windows, as well as the child locks on the back 2 doors. This A3 does come with the incredible Bang & Olufsen sound system. And on the bottom here we do have some of the signature S-Line door sill trims. The front 2 seats do have the electric 4-way lumbar support system in place, which makes finding the perfect driving position incredibly easy. They are also the sport seats, which look and feel incredibly comfortable, with the S-Line embossed logo in them. As we make our way around to the front, here we have the flat bottom 3-spoke leather multifunction steering wheel, as well as the Audi virtual cockpit. The buttons on the steering wheel allow you to change the view of the screen depending on your preference, as well as navigate around and access your radio stations, your device if it's connected, sat-nav and other driver information. Buttons on the right allow you to answer and decline phone calls, as well as use the voice control. This car does have cruise control, which is perfect for those longer motorway drives, as well as automatic headlights. Here we have the high-resolution touchscreen multimedia interface display, which once again allows you to access things such as your radio stations, your media devices, your phone if it's connected, your sat-nav. This car is also loaded with Apple CarPlay. And it also allows you to access any other driver information and settings. As we move further down, we do have the dual climate control in place, meaning that both of the passengers are in control of their own temperature settings. The 2 front seats are also heated, which is perfect for those chillier mornings. And as we move further down, we do have some shortcut buttons. By pressing the parking one, we are displayed with the rear parking camera, as well as the front and rear sensors. Here we have the automatic gear selector, and we do also have a little bit of storage underneath the armrest. If you would like to find out any more information about this gorgeous A3, please do not hesitate to contact one of our sales advisors at Crewe Audi at 01270 864 091. Thank you for watching.